my good friends, Larry here, and welcome to Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews. This is mail call day again, and right here in this box, it's a pen that I've been looking at for quite a while, but for me it was kind of should I or shouldn't I? I'm not sure. Do I really want to get this pen and review it and leave it in my collection? You know, all these kind of things go into your head. Well, being a pen reviewer, at least speaking for myself, yeah, I needed to do it so I can get a review done on this pen and let you, the viewers, get my thoughts on this pen. Now remember, we all are different. We have all likes and different likes, and we have our opinions about, is this pen good for me, or I don't like this pen, or this pen's all not that good. Why do you like it? I get all kinds of weird, crazy questions. But, you know, like I tell the folks, we all have our likes and dislikes, right? And we all have our opinions. So I'll be reviewing this pen soon. So right here you see me with this mask. So first of all, here in Texas, it's mandated by our governor to wear a mask. So I just thought I'd share with you my new mask. Isn't it cool? One thing good about the mask is that you can get whatever design you want, or have somebody make any special mask you want. So this is the new trend right now. So I'm digging it. I'm feeling it. I don't have anything, you know, negative to say about it. I'm with the system, and I like my mask. So after that, I can change out to different masks. So it's kind of fun. Yeah, they're hot, icky, but if it helps, keeps me safe, that's what I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and get into this here box. I already opened it, so at least I cut it open. So, and the receipt from the seller, and it does come packaged nice and secure. And it got here early. It's supposed to get here on the 17th, and it just got here today on the 13th, so that was pretty cool. So, here it is. The pen right here. Comes with cartridges, has a clip, and it's going to be an interesting pen. Memories on the barrel. So what kind of pen is it? Well, it is the Pelikan pen. And make sure I'm right. Yep, it's the NOS Pelikan Cultural Pen P22 Youth. Memories with 3 cartridges. So I will be giving this a whirl pretty soon on my review. And you know what caught my fancy was the colors, the design on the pen. I do believe that Pelikan puts a excellent fountain pen out. I do like Pelikans very, very much. So that's that. Now before I go, one last thing. I will be doing a review here pretty soon on some Schneider products. And I've got quite a few of them to show you. So it's going to be interesting. And the story behind it is interesting. So that's going to be coming up. Also, I'll be doing a interview with Craig Williams. Isn't that correct? Yeah. He's an artist and a pen enthusiast, and it's a interview that you don't want to miss. Craig's got a lot of stuff going on with him. His works, his life is so interesting. Not only is an artist and a pen enthusiast, he also does woodwork. He also dives on shipwrecks, doesn't he?
Yes, underwater archaeology.
Yep. So he does that a lot. So a lot of interesting things going on with Greg. And Greg is going to be donating bottles of ink on my channel in support of Larry's Fountain Pens. He's going to let the viewers, whoever wins, pick out 3 bottles, brand new bottles of ink on the colors they want, and then after the winners are announced, I'll send the information to Greg, and then he will ship them out to you. So that's pretty sweet. So that's coming up this week with Greg. I was hoping to do it today, but I just couldn't do it today. So you might want to stay tuned for that. So that's going to do it, my friends. So my friends, stay healthy, wash them hands, and as always, be safe, and please don't text and drive. God bless. Have a good one. Peace and love. They rock. Peace.